Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Tesla Roadster and the Porsche Taycan Turbo S. We'll explore how these two electric powerhouses stack up against each other in terms of raw performance, driving experience, and overall value. Get ready to dive deep into the specifications and unique features that set these incredible machines apart. Let's find out which one might be the ultimate electric dream car for you. When it comes to sheer speed, the Roadster aims for unprecedented numbers, targeting a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 1.9 seconds. The Taycan Turbo S is incredibly quick too, hitting 60 miles per hour in 2.6 seconds with launch control. The Roadster also claims a top speed exceeding 250 miles per hour, significantly higher than the Taycan's 161 miles per hour. Range is a critical factor for electric vehicles, and the Roadster aims to redefine expectations with a projected 620-mile range on a single charge. The Taycan Turbo S provides a practical range of around 222 miles, suitable for most daily driving. Furthermore, the Taycan's advanced 800-volt architecture allows for incredibly fast charging, minimizing downtime on longer journeys. Inside, the Roadster promises a sleek, minimalist interior, focusing on the driving experience with advanced technology. The Taycan Turbo S, conversely, offers a more traditional luxury sports car feel, with premium materials and a driver-centric cockpit. Both cars showcase cutting-edge infotainment and safety features. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the link in the description for leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.